Not a lot of people know how to properly use this. Let's head out to the field, let's get started, but before we get into it, hey, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and then let's get to it. How you want to use one of these is you grab your piece of equipment like this with one hand on each bar. Then you simply pull it upwards and jam it straight downwards as hard as you can. What you then do is you pull the pieces apart, and what this does is this pinches the dirt in between the two spades. You then simply pull it up and drop it to the side. And then you're going to do that again and again. So that is what you do. On each time you stab downwards, you pinch the handles together, pull it up, and drop it to the side. Now what you want to do is rotate it as you go, because this will get you a nice completely round hole rather than kind of an oddly shaped hole if you always go in the same direction. No. So let's get the camera in a little closer and then we'll see what this looks like firsthand. All right guys, so if I'm gonna start off brand new, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find the location that I want. I'm gonna take my tool, stab it straight down. Then what I'm gonna do is pinch it together. That grabs my piece of dirt, pull it to the side, and you can see I've got the starting of a hole. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the direction. So you saw the first time I came in like this, second time I came in like this. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm simply gonna vary them back and forth for the rest of the time. So up, together, out, down, out. And you're just simply going to keep doing this. And before you know it, you're gonna have a pretty nice post hole. All right guys, so there you go. That was a closer view on how to actually do this. So you saw each time I come down, I'm pulling together, pulling out, then I'm rotating the direction at which I'm going in. Now, how long this takes is going to depend entirely on how skilled you are and how soft the dirt is. So the dirt I'm hitting here is relatively soft. This would take me probably a good 5 minutes to dig a nice 1 to 4 foot post hole. But if it's muddy, you're gonna be able to go down in like a minute flat. However, if it's hard ground, you're chipping through it, it could take a while. Lots of times it's not because your form is bad, it's simply because the dirt is hard. Now, so there you go guys, that is how you use one of these weird looking pieces of equipment known as a manual post hole digger. Hopefully you found this video helpful, hopefully you found this informative. Hey, if you like this stuff, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned, I got all kinds of other stuff. I'll see you later.